Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove favorited elements on CapCut PC. So for instance, you favorited an effect before. I did, so go and select the favorites tab, and to remove the favorites just select the star button. Also works with stickers as well. Here in stickers, if you favorited a sticker, it's going to go to your favorites tab here. And to unfavorite, just simply select the favorites tab here, or if you're on the actual page but it's easier to go to the favorites tab, select the start button and it's going to be gone. I think it also works with audios here as well. So if you favorited and selected the music here, go to favorites, select the star icon again to unfavorite. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!